signals are designed to catch our eye. They provide clear guidance and help keep operations safe. Founded in 2009, we built our know-how on real factory needs, where reliability is not optional. We continued to produce and add value for world without losing our initial excitement. As the Mucco family, following the innovations and struggling with difficulties have been our top priority principles. For mechanical strength, we use aluminum casting and CNC turning. And for durable housings and optics, we produce parts with polycarbonate and ABS injection molding. Then, everything comes together in assembly, and every unit goes through quality control. Today, with our sales partners, Mucco products are used in more than 100 countries, supporting factories, automation lines, and industrial facilities with clear, dependable signaling. Mucco Sinyalteknik. Our aim is warning.